You know Amazon, right? Nearly everyone does. We're about to uncover a fascinating change that's on its way to our daily Amazon shopping experience. It's all thanks to generative AI. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a sneak peek into how AI is about to shape the way you shop on Amazon. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. The AI Nexus releases an AI weekly update to all of our subscribers each week. Subscribe now so you don't miss a single one. So first, let's break down the latest update. According to a recent TechCrunch article, Amazon plans to use generative AI to extract the essence of countless product reviews, saving you the time of wading through them. Imagine, instead of scrolling endlessly, you get a neat, concise paragraph detailing what most people think about that item. And they're taking it a step further. You'll soon see clickable buttons highlighting key product features. So if you're wondering about a product's ease of use or its performance, just tap, and you'll see reviews focusing on those exact points. But this isn't Amazon's first try with AI. They've already integrated AI to display frequently used words from reviews, but now they're revolutionizing the way we interpret reviews. However, this innovation doesn't come without challenges. The battle against fake reviews is real, yet Amazon is determined. They're implementing strong measures, only considering verified purchases for these summaries and investing significantly in preemptively blocking fake reviews. With AI evolving, the lines between human-generated and AI-generated reviews might blur. It's a challenge, but with Amazon's proactive approach, the future is looking promising. So then, what's next for Amazon and AI? Well, they're already using AI for demand forecasting, fraud detection, and their famous recommendation systems. With advancements in generative AI, we might see even more personalized shopping experiences, perhaps even virtual try-ons or product suggestions based on real-time mood analysis. That would be kind of cool. Amazon's evolving relationship with AI captures the essence of how technological innovation is rapidly reshaping the e-commerce landscape. By leveraging generative AI, Amazon is poised to further simplify the customer experience, making product reviews even more accessible and intuitive. This shift is not just about technological prowess, but a deep commitment to understanding and catering to customer needs. While these are just speculative opinions, one thing is certain. Amazon's commitment to improving its platform with AI means the future of online shopping is about to get even more exciting. Now, while we're on the topic of groundbreaking AI, have you heard about the AI that's making waves in the journalism sector? If you want to witness another game changer, check out our video on Google's Genesis. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.